Hi there, this is Mark from ScanTech. Today I'm thrilled to guide you through our revolutionary handheld 3D scanner, SIMSCAN. It's a game changer in the world of professional 3D scanning, known for its compact size, user-friendly design, and robust performance. In this video, I'll be unboxing the SIMSCAN and help you to get started with it effortlessly. Now let's get started. Opening the SIMSCAN case, the first thing coming to us is SIMSCAN itself. Grab it and slip housing we can easily take out. Weighted only 570 grams, SIMSCAN brings unparalleled simplicity for scanning anything with one hand. Alongside the scanner, we have the power cable and data cable. Look upwards, we find an inner pocket inside which we have the reflective markers, USB disk, and the license dongle. And at case's base, we have the mask plate, complete our essential 3D scanning kit. Now let's move to the setup and explore the easy 3D scanning SIMSCAN brings. Plug in all the cables and launch Scan Viewer. Software will need you to place set file and license. You can just follow the path we're showing on the screen to get it done. Now we configure the software and it's time to calibrate the SIMSCAN. Take out the mask plate and click Calibration in Scan Viewer. Follow the prompts on the screen and we can complete it in short. Everything is ready, choose the preferred scan mode and we can scan. With its built-in HD cameras and 3D scanning mode, SIMSCAN can realize high precision scanning with an accuracy up to 0.02 mm. It can accurately capture 3D data of objects with complex surfaces or in confined areas. We will be releasing more in-depth videos on SIMSCAN, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch them all. If you encounter any technical challenges, drop your questions in the comments or reach out to us at market@3d-scantech.com.